friends! It's me, Poppy! Welcome back to Spartan Kids! Today we will draw a tulip. So let's draw a tulip and make it the best! Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time! How to draw a tulip. Step 1. Draw a U-shape. Step 2. Draw a curved line. Start at the top, left or right, and draw the line, bringing it to the bottom of the U-shape. Step 3. Now, draw a curved line from the other side. Step 4. Draw the up and down arrow for the last part of the tulip blossom. Step 5. Draw the stem. 2 straight lines from the top to the bottom. Step 6. Finish up your tulip by drawing a leaf or two. Step 7. Now, color the tulip and make it really pretty. And there we have it! Our tulip is ready! Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!